Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the license and applying quick system fixes. Open Word, go to File Account, and make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. This resolves most inactive states. Once done, run Windows Update and Office Update, then restart the machine to clear transient errors. If still inactive, disable add-ins from File Options Add-ins and switch security software off briefly. This narrows down conflicts. These steps ensure you eliminate simple account and update causes first. Now you'll perform the repair sequence to restore activation files. Open Settings or Control Panel, choose Office and select Repair. Start with Quick Repair because it's fast and preserves settings. If Word remains inactive, run Online Repair. This replaces corrupted files and often fixes activation issues. Make sure you save any open documents. The online repair can take 10 to 20 minutes and may require a restart. Once complete, sign back into your Microsoft account and check activation status under File Account. Finish with advanced cleanup and reactivation steps. Close all Office apps, delete licensing registry keys and files in %local app data % and %program data % related to Office to force recreation, then reopen Word and sign in to reactivate. If online activation fails, use the telephone activation option presented by Office. It guides you through a code-based process. If Word still reports inactive, create a new Windows user profile and test there. This isolates profiles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.